Hey Nad, okay, we're going to do this video tour here. So I'm starting at the back part of my intermodal terminal, and I'm just going to walk from the back to the front here. Just going to give you a little flavor. So what we got, if we look at tracks 8, 7, 6, and 5 starting at the wall, there's a stack train, and then there's a loaded grain train, and then there's the road railer, and then after that is a intermodal train that's basically all of those piggyback type of cars. So I'm just going to walk slowly, CPs, and then different kind of like front runner cars. Those are like older Athearn ones. And then you can see the stacks in the back. You have various kind of stacks. They're kind of hidden, but most of those stacks are, there's some of those A-line twin stacks. I have the C-Land ones, and I have, well, we'll see what I have when we go up there. But there you can see there's some of those Athearn, I don't know what you call them. They're not front runners, but, and then keep going, and check that out. That's a robot unit. That's a Kato, fully detailed. It's currently not for sale though. And then I have a whole line of these nicely weathered 86-foot auto part box cars that I had done for a specific reason. And they've just been basically sitting on my layout the whole time. But each one is weathered a little bit differently. Alright, back to the intermodal equipment. So you could see those My Jacks. They look pretty good. They just need to be weathered, but they've been all painted and decaled. And then a lot of these cars on the front are those front runner cars with the trucks on them. But you'll notice all the wheels have been, painted. They're basically, look pretty good. They're not just out of the box. I pretty meticulously did that with all the cars. I'm going to back up a little bit. And then I have some of this other equipment. So you can see those container unloading vehicles. I don't know what you call them, but I have a couple of those that I had done as well. Again, they just need to be weathered. And then I have a ton of different kind of 86-foot flat cars. A lot of these are AccuRail cars, but they're really nice. And some of these are the Atlas cars as well. That's a AccuRail. That's an AccuRail. That's a Atlas. That probably just got broken off, but that's not, just needs to be glued on. That's an Atlas, and then you can see those are Walthers. I don't even know what you call all those different kind of cars, but those are all those metal Walthers cars. They're really nice. I have a ton of those. They're all TTXs. Some of those are already weathered, like those back there. And then I don't know what kind of containers you want. The JB Hunts and the EMPs, I don't know. I may want to hold on to them because they're really hard to come by. The green ones you can get now, but those white ones are almost impossible to get. And then those are A-line cars. There's a 5-car set of these A-line Statwell cars. Again, I don't know what you call all those cars. I have to look them up. But you can see I have a lot of different intermodal equipment. I did one car with the UPS. You can only get those UPS decals, I think, from like one guy. And I have the UPS decals. I did one truck, but not completely, but I just put the shield on the side. But you can't buy those trucks anywhere else. And again, back here, more of those are Atlas or not Atlas, the Walthers well cars. But I have like 4 sets of the twin stacks too. And those are TTs. I think I have a couple sets, one set of yellows TT and one is BN. And then I have a couple sets of those Sealand. They're really nice as well. So anyhow, that's it. Well, you've seen the whole intermodal terminal, you know, from the start to finish. So if there's anything here that you want to see more pictures of, just let me know. But it's kind of hard to get pictures of, like, just take pictures of everything. I'm kind of busy with a lot of different things. So, and those ramps, I don't know, I'll have to see if I can find them. And the truck, this one truck here, well, some guy had a truck on eBay and it sold for something like 75 or 80 bucks. So I have 2 of them. They're kind of hard to come by. So, but anyhow, if I find that kind of equipment, I'll let you know. Alright, talk to you later.